Good morning, Sir Madam. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Priya Das. I am from Silchar. I have completed my bachelor degree from GC College Silchar. I am belongs to a nuclear family. My strength are, I am self-motivating person, and I have strong communication skill also. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and long-term goal is to achieve a good position like yours, where I can build my career and help the organization too. My hobbies are reading books and dancing. Lastly, I am a quick learner and believe in learning from my past mistakes.
Good morning, Your Highness, Excellencies, friends and colleagues. I would like to thank you for the opportunity to be here today. It's also an honor to join forces with Educated Child, an organization led by a woman who